Hey everybody, what's going on? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you live. Hopefully you're all doing really good. Welcome to the stream. Give me a second, I gotta turn this down. There we go. Cool. Crew, good morning. How's it going? Let's have some fun. Chatbot is here to keep you company. Oh boy. That's always good. How's it going, dude? Good morning. Alright. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Sorry, I'm still trying to get everything all situated. Alright, so let me Oh man, what a day. Dude, I had to wake up like super early and go teach a class today. Oh, that was rough. But how's your morning going? Hopefully good so far. Alright. Brew upgrade. Close. Man, that needed to be upgraded. This is when I get up for work. Oh, okay, cool, yeah. Yeah, went in, taught a hit class. That was fun. Not many people showed up, so I just did it with whoever showed up. So I got my workout in this morning. I wasn't expecting it either, so I didn't wear like the best clothes for it, but that's okay. So, alright. That's done. Clear ls. Alright, let's see. CD projects. Dude, how far are you in Diablo? What is in untitled view folder? Oh, I think I created a project but never did anything with it. Oh, cool, that actually worked. Nice. CD view. Alright, perfect. Create to-do list with... haven't played much, no time while working. Yeah. I understand that, man. I understand. Oops. Oh, I gotta update that. There we go. I understand that for sure, dude. Whoops, sorry, give me a second. Still doing something. Okay, I think we're good. Save. There we go. Okay, cool. Perfect. Yeah, dude. So I'm a little sad this morning. So Kick just did this update where if you don't have like a certain amount of viewers per stream, what they do is they limit your resolution to 720p, and then if you get 2 viewers during that time, you then restart your stream and get 1080p. So I'm a little confused. I don't know why they did that. I think it's to save money on streaming cost, I assume. So give me just a second. Hold on. Why is that not working? How's it? Sorry, trying to type up something. Minimum. Oh. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Oh, I can't put that in? Alright, that's okay. We'll just do this. Alright. Sorry, guys. Almost done. Okay. Sorry about that. Lucas, how's it going? Good morning. Good morning. How's your morning going so far? Alright. So I think what we're gonna do is I gotta give me a second, folks. Trying to. Okay, I don't know why the volume bar. That's weird. I gotta change up this music. There we go. That's better. All right. Perfect. Trying to figure out how to do this. Oh, that's right. Totally forgot. So tonight is the premiere of the Flash movie. I'm excited. It's gonna be good. If you also want to carry out this with VS Code, you can start with the command code. You can delete the standard component. Okay, cool. All right, so let's see if we can follow this. Vue create Vue-to-do-app. All right, and then we're gonna use default. Let's see. Oh, whoops, hold on. Oh, crap. Okay, I did that wrong. Vue create Vue-to-do-app. Okay, cool. And then manually select features, Babel, router. I don't think we're gonna need the router. Let's see. Start the command to do this. Delete the standard. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna need that. Don't want to use tail. Composition API. Clone the repo. npm install. Don't want to use TypeScript. I think I need a tutorial. There we go. Why is it so hard to find a tutorial? This is kind of crazy. Okay, I already have that done. Create the first project by using the commands below. No, it's not it. Let's see, create a form. Import the reference package. Takes in the inner value. Let's see. Does it? Dude, I need to find better music. This is not gonna work. Hold on. I typed in science. So I gotta talk to our tech team. Because I type in science and this is what we get is music from movies scores. That's not a very good search result. So I gotta talk to them about that. Because, yeah, it's weird. Hold on. Technology. Yeah, like that brings up stuff. Yeah, see? That's weird. Alright. The problem is I just don't know what kind of, I don't think progressive... I don't think we need that. I don't think we need... I think the only thing we need is Babel. Preprocessors, linter, formatter. I don't even know what that does. Probably does something, I just don't know what. Let's see. I don't think we need the linter in there, but we might. Trying to find out if we need it or not. I don't think we do, but alright, I think we'll be good. Toggle, invert selection. Yeah, we just need Babel, I think. Version 3 and dedicated. Where do you prefer placing your config? Where do you prefer placing your... Wait. Where do you prefer placing config for Babel? Trying to... at my company, we tend to install all the tools that are related to the project as part of our interglobals install, yada, yada, yada. Okay, well, that didn't really help me at all. As of right now, I choose in package JSON. Where are you placing the config? I am not clear. I don't even know what that file does. Like, what is the point of it? Let's see. What? Manually set features. Now we will prompt with add-ons. Choose. Now choose dedicated. All right, I guess that's the go-to right here. Okay. Oh, perfect. It's done. CD Vue to do app. All right, and then we need to go pn run Oh, wait a minute. Before I do that, pm install. Okay. Code. Nice. Oh, there's an update for this? Alright. Dude, I don't know if you guys have tried Codium yet, but honestly, it is one of the best AIs I've ever used in a coding editor. Like, I've used GitHub Copilot, and it's not bad, don't get me wrong. And I think what the features that they got coming up soon is going to be really cool. But you have to pay for that monthly. But literally, this being free is extremely powerful tool. Like, it's insane how powerful this one little tool is. You know what I mean? And it's free. Alright, here we go. That must have been a big update. That took a little while. What does this do? Start collaboration. Oh, that's right. You can do that. It's pretty cool. Alright, we should be good to go. Alright, so let's see. I think the first thing we're going to do is create a form and to-do list in the app.vue folder. Alright, so let me do that. PNP, right? PNPM run serve. Alright, so that should start our development server. Yep, perfect. That's not the right button. There we go. Alright, so here's our app up and running. And then we'll take this, bring that down. And then we'll just put that down there for right now. So what we're going to do is we'll get rid of this right here. And then we'll rewrite the page. Alright, so to do this, we need to open up our source file. App.vue. There we go, right there. Let's see, we gotta get rid of... We'll keep the template. Okay, and then we need the script. But we'll get rid of this. Let's see, actually, do we need that in there? In the script? We do, okay. For app. Right, alright, so that part, we're good. For right now, we can get rid of components, because I don't need it. And then I can get rid of that, because I don't need it. Okay, perfect. So we should be good there. Alright, so it looks like the first thing that we gotta do is build a form here on the page in the template. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go H1 to do app. Okay, and then we need to do form. And then we're doing a form at submit dot prevent equals add to do. So that's a function. Okay, and then we close it off. Perfect. Okay, so there's our form, and then in there we need a label. And then in that label, we need to do new to do. All right, perfect. And then in there, we need an input. So input, and then it's a v-model equals new to do. Okay. And then we do that, and then we do name equals new to do. And then after that, we do autocomplete is off. Save. Okay. I think that's it. And then we gotta have our button. Button. Alright, and then in button, I think we're just gonna do add to do. Yeah, because we're putting our call function on the submit. All right, perfect. Looks good. So if we load up the page, perfect. That's good. Actually, what I'm gonna do is wrap this input inside of that label. Save. Let's see. Let me take away this for a second. Okay, so we have our input, but what we'll do is come here and we'll say div class, or just a div right now. Save. Okay, let's try that. There we go, perfect. Okay, and then I'll have another div, and we'll wrap that button in that div. Save. Okay, perfect. So let's see, how's that look? That's a little bit better. It's not pretty, but that's okay. As long as I think the idea is for it to function. Hey, Chef Dad, how's it going? Afternoon. Oh, is it afternoon for you? It's still, what, 7:45 a.m. for me, so. How you doing, though? Hopefully everything's good. Okay, let's see. I think that makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Let's see, template. New tools. Although, I'm trying to think. I don't. Let's see. Form. Okay, so we'll do. Actually, yeah, it would make sense to do display flex save. All right, so let's do class to do form save. All right, perfect. So that should put them there. And actually, let's write a container as well while we're at it. So we're gonna go container, and then we'll do max dash width 1200 pixels, and then we'll do margin 0 auto. Oops, save. Okay, and we'll wrap all that in our template. Div class container div. Okay, perfect. And then we'll take that, bring that down here. Then we'll grab this, save. There we go. All right, there, that looks a lot better. All right, perfect. And then what we'll do is let's go ahead and go label. I might be able to do it without putting a div on there, actually. Well, actually, no, I want that in there. That way I can. Okay. And then, let's see. What if I do gap 10 pixels? I want to see what that does. Alright, that really doesn't do anything, so we'll remove that gap out of there for now. Align item center. I don't think we need to do that. Save. Okay. And then we're going to do to do form input. Okay. Let's see. Ethang, how's it going? Hey bro, tell me, how do I start learning DSA? What's that? Okay, so I think with that one, we gotta do border 1 pixel solid. Hey, Technical Hedgehog, how's it going? How you doing? Good morning. 1px solid. I think we'll do RGBA. Let's see. What is it? 255, 255, 255, and then 0.5. Save. Oh, 0, 0. Whoops. Save. There we go. I should probably bring that down to 4. Actually, is that even working? Oh, it is working. Okay, cool. Let's see. Then we're gonna do padding. 1M0. Okay. Maybe 1M, 2M. 20M. No, we don't need that. 20M. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing? Okay, then we're gonna go width 100%. Perfect. There we go. And then I'll do a little bit of margin on that. Margin 1M0. There we go. Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna go to do button, and then go border is none. Okay, background, we'll add 0CF. Color. Save padding. Oops. Wait, what did I just do? Okay. I was like, wait, where'd it go? Save. Let's see, maybe 5M on that one. There we go. Maybe like 1.5M. Perfect. Maybe add a little bit of border. Border radius 5. Yeah, that works right there. That's pretty good. Alright, and then we'll do to do form button hover. Oh, actually I should put that cursor on there. Is there? Oh, there isn't a cursor on there. Okay, so for that one, I should be able to go into, let's see, components. No, it's not there. I thought there was a CSS folder. Oh, there probably isn't. All right, that's okay. Save. There we go. Perfect. But I'm doing pretty good. How you doing this morning? Hover. Oh, no, I don't like that color. Let's see. Flat color palette. Maybe I should do some programming today. Yeah, definitely. Dude, it's the first time I've coded in a little while, though. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't been very good. Ah, this is what I wanted. Oh, it's just an image? Oh, it is. Not even a... What have you been up to lately? No, alright, this will work. Not really. Next page. Next page. Not much. Yeah. Same here. Work. Actually, I lied. Working. That's about it. I've been taking this week off. Dude, I gotta talk to my boss today and do the same. I gotta, whatchamacallit, I need to take next week off. I got some stuff to do. I gotta study for my, certification. Save. Alright, there we go. Alright, good enough. It's fine, it's fine. Alright, let's see. So, we got that. I'm doing my, PT certification. You know what we could do on the padding for that, input? we could have like 0.5 M. Save. Yeah, there we go. That looks better. Yeah, I gotta get that done soon because my 6 months is coming to an end soon, which I can't even believe, like, 6 months went by that quick. That's crazy. It is crazy. Where is that? Okay, here we go. Okay. Background. I think. Oh, let's actually do that H. Wait, I thought that was an H1, isn't it? It is. Why is that so? Let's see. Where's the main JS? I don't think we do that. Let me do this. Let me go source, new file. Save. Or, body, there we go. Dash family. I think I import it here, right? Import, create that. Import base. Save. Oh! I thought I could. Ah, there we go. Okay, cool. Beautiful. And actually, what I'm going to do, let me go over here, and we could probably, let's see, what do I need? I can cut that from that, and bring it over here. So we're going to go button, save. All right, perfect. There we go. Save. All right. H1, H2, H3. I probably don't need that. Yeah, it should be fine for now. Okay, cool. So then we want to do this, and then we gotta go. Looks fine. I think I'm gonna tweak the H1 just a little bit. Actually, no, the H1 should be fine. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. So, I mean, you know, it's a basic style. I don't think we need to worry too much about it. All right. So, we have the Vue-model new to do. Okay, so we have that, and then we have name new to do. Autocomplete is off. All right, and then we actually want the list itself. Okay. So that's going to come out of the div container form. All right, and then below there, we'll do H2. And then we're doing a to-do list right below it. Probably put like a... I don't think we need a thing there. Okay, and then underneath there, we're doing... UO. Okay, and then we're doing an LI. And then, don't we need a map around that? Oh, yeah, that's right, because it's a for loop. All right, so we're doing li v-4 equals, and then we're doing to do index in to do's. Okay. Key equals index. Why is that giving me an issue? It doesn't like that. Oh, okay, there we go. Save. No, it doesn't like that either. Why? li for to do. So we have the to do, comma index, for equals to do index and to do's. And then there's key. But it doesn't like that. Why? Oh, it's because... Alright, well, that did it. To do is declared. Okay. You don't need a comma or anything for that? Apparently not. Alright, so then below there we have a span. Okay, so we're doing span. And then we're doing class is done to do dot done. To do dot content. Okay. And then we need to do class dot done. Alright, so that's the class. And then we do an at click. At click equals done to do. And then we send in the actual to do. At click equals. Oh, but you gotta wrap it in. Right? Hey, Tech Doofus, how's it going? Okay, there we go. Perfect. How you been? It's good to see everyone over at good work. Yeah, I gotta go to work in an hour, so I figured I'd just jump on a little early. It's good seeing everyone. Like, I'm trying to get everyone to kind of migrate over to Kick right now from Twitch, but you know, still trying to, you know, Twitch as well. I don't know, it's hard, but yeah, it's like my first dev coding stream on Kick, so yeah. Let's see. Alright. That looks pretty good. But yeah, how's your day been? Or how's it going so far? Hopefully it's off to a good start. Alright, so that's at span. So let's take a look there. Yeah, nothing's going to show up there. It's probably busted, actually. Okay, and then... let's see. Alright, then we got to create the actual... Is this under the UL? Yeah, it is. Okay. Or it's still within the li, isn't it? Oh! Wait a minute. There we go. That would explain why that's not working. And doesn't... Who coded this on the example? This is bad. Hold on. What does this go to? I have a closing span inside of a span. Oh my goodness. That is not good. Right. Now why are you giving me an error? Oh, because I have a closing li. Save. Right? No, there's a closing li right there. Oh man. Alright, let me get rid of that. There we go. Okay, so something's wrong with this span tag. There's the closing span right there. So why are you giving me trouble? But that worked. Wait. You weren't closing the spam properly. It looks like I'm still not. Hold on. The way this is, like, fucking formatting, too, is, like, confusing me. Alright, hold on. What is that? That's the... Okay, and then I gotta add a closing tag right here, right? There we go, okay. But what's this go to? Is that actually there, or is that what Codium's putting in there for me? Okay, well, that's gone now. You need that instead. Yeah, right? That's why I was like, what is that for? It didn't make any sense. Hey, man, what exactly is Vue? It looks like a component React or HTML. Yeah, Vue is like another, JavaScript framework. That's the best way I can kind of explain it. I'm still learning it. Yeah, their closing span didn't have the thing at the end. Okay, that's probably what it was. Right, so this is the span. And then... Wait, why do I have a closing L? Okay, hold on. No, wait a minute. Li is not self-closing. Okay. Yeah, the best way I could explain it's like a JavaScript, library. So it's like React, if that makes sense. But it's a little bit different from React. But it's the same idea. So everything is like, it broke up into like components and stuff like that. Does that make sense? So like if I'm creating like a section, I don't have to keep recoding it over and over and over again. I can actually code it out, and then I can pull that component whenever I need to use it in my web app. SPA pages are pretty like good ones. Like that's what we're doing right here is the SPA app. So it's a single page application. So we're able to actually code it all in like one main file, but then bring in separate components. So I think that makes sense. So again, it's kind of like React. Test. I see you. And for some wait a minute. And for some reason, Kick eats HTML tags. It eats... Oh, you mean if you try to put it in? Really? Yeah, they probably strip it out, right? I'd assume. Yep, I got it. Okay, cool, yeah. That's like the best way that I can explain it, so... Alright, perfect. Yeah, if you put it into the chat, they will get removed. Okay, so they... Yeah, I wonder why they do that. Probably keep people from doing, weird stuff. I don't even know what their chat's made out of. Oh, that worked, right? Oh, but you gotta add that space in there, right? So if you want to like tell someone something, you'll be like, well, technically it's like space this, space that. Can you put in other stuff, I wonder? Okay, cool. So then we're doing script, and then we're gonna go import ref. Oh, whoops. From Vue. Save. I love Codium. It just helps so much. Let's see here. Script. Alright, so it says the setup function is a new component option. Create setup function. Script. Hey, thank you. Oh, I missed it. Thank you, Jendi for... Hold on, I'm so bad at username, sorry. Hey, thank you, Tech Doofus, for the follow. Appreciate it. Is it Genji? I think I said that right. Either way, thank you for the follow. I do appreciate it. Thank you. Something to keep in mind. Yeah, definitely. And thank you, Tech Doofus, for the follow. What was that? I heard the Streamlabs alert sound. I don't know where that came from, but I think my my stream's scuffed. So that's okay. I just have random noises just start happening in the background. Oh my goodness. That's okay. That's okay. Alright. Oh, okay, that is how you say your name. Okay, awesome. What kind of coding are you learning to code right now, or are you just like checking it out, or have you been coding for a while? All right, so it looks like we did that part. Okay, guys, give me just a second. I'll be right back. Yeah, give me a second. I'll be right back. Like a minute. Okay, I'm back. All right, let's see. I'm finishing up full dev course using JavaScript, React, and Node. Oh, hell yeah. Where are you doing your course at? Oops, sorry about that. Let's see. Hey, good morning, Josh. How's it going, dude? How you doing? All right, so that part's done. Private school called Digitizon. I've never heard of that. Is that like an online boot camp or something? All right, so we did that. Okay, and then the setup function is a new component option. The create function. Okay, so we got to do in our scripts. We got to come here. Does that go under app? Yeah, it does definitely. So we do setup like that. Save. All right, and then we're doing. We need to create all property and methods. Also, we need to use local storage for data saving. Oh man, they're doing everything in this one file. Ooh. All right, well, I'll follow the thing, but that's. Oh, it is an online boot camp. Nice. Doing good. Still waking up and drinking coffee. Yes, sir. I like that coffee. I'm drinking coffee out of my big ass Santa Claus mug here. So. Dude, you know what I've been doing, Josh? I've been adding collagen to my coffee. So, because collagen's like really good for your skin, your nails, and your hair, and bones as well. So what I've been doing is just taking like a big, huge scoop, and I just been putting it in coffee. It's pretty good. You don't taste it since it has no flavor to it. So, but yeah, that's what I've been doing. So I think it takes like a while though for collagen to kick into your system. I think they said it could take a few weeks to a month or something like that. So, all right. So create all property methods, and we also use local storage. All right. So it looks like we have to do everything in this new setup. Let's see here. So we're gonna do const. So we're gonna create a new to do equals, and then we got a reference. So we're using that reference. And then we're doing const default data equals, and then we're creating a object array, an array of object. If I can spell const will be better. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna do done is false, right? And then content is write a blog post. Save. Okay. So there's the default data. All right, and then we come out of the array, right? Yep. And then we're going, let's see. Okay, so this is where the local storage comes in. Const to do data equals json.parse. Okay, Okay, and then we gotta do local storage dot get item. Okay, and then we're doing, what is this? Get item to-dos default data. Thank you, Codium, for finishing that for me. Dude, AI is so crazy. I love how the AI already knows what I'm gonna do next, so the AI is like, cool, I'll just finish it for you. Alright, hold on, guys. We need to switch music up here. There we go, that's better. I have never used Vue. Looks interesting, but I haven't really been too compelled to use it. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. It's definitely a lot different from React, but it's pretty interesting. Copilot is pretty helpful sometimes, can also be annoying and wrong. Yeah, so I paid for that for a month, and Codium, dude, is just as good in my opinion, and free. So I canceled out Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and yeah, I'm using just the Codium. I love it too because I can ask it stuff over here as well, which is nice. Oh, you get Copilot for free? Oh yeah, do you get it through work? Yeah, because but I've been loving Codium. It's been really good. So yeah, they added. Oh, good, nice, good. Oh yeah, so you guys are gonna be testing out all that new stuff. Nice. The new stuff does look pretty good. I do like the Copilot get terminal or CLI, so you can type in something in the CLI, and then it'll actually like use AI to find out what commands you'll need. So no, GitHub handed it out for free for some open source maintain. Oh, okay, that's cool. Good deal. Give me a second. Forgot to do this. How do you do? Where's the oh, here we go. There we go. Perfect. There. Sorry about that. I think they felt a little bad training the model on our code, so it gave us. Oh, did they? Nice. Alright, so we have our default data, and then we're doing. Okay, so here's our reference that we're using. Let's see. Okay, so this right here looks in the local storage, and it looks for the to-dos that's saved, or default data. Okay, so that makes sense. So we're taking to-dos data, and we're storing the local storage in it, or we're grabbing the default data up here. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, perfect. Let's see. Wouldn't an if statement have made more sense than an or? Because isn't there always going to be, you know what I mean? Isn't there always going to be a thing? We'll just follow whatever it's telling us to do. Alright, anyways, let's see. So next would be the const to-dos themselves. And then we're referencing the to-dos data. Okay, perfect. I didn't spell const right, did I? Dude, I misspell const all the time. It's so bad. Alright, and then we're creating a function. Add. Okay, so this is where we're adding the to-dos. Okay, perfect. And then we're doing if new to-do value. Okay, so that's gonna grab from the top. So we're gonna go if new to-do dot value. So it's gonna grab the value from the new to-do. So if new to-do. Okay, and then we're gonna go. Where's to-dos coming from? Oh, that's the reference, right? To-dos dot value dot push. So we're adding it to the array. Okay, and then we're doing done is false, comma, and then we're doing content is equal to new to do dot value. Save. Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna do, oh, and then we're new to do dot value is then equal back to blank. Okay, perfect. That makes a lot of sense. I think the or in JavaScript is used like that if the left hand part can be undefined. Oh, really? Okay. Gotcha. So if this is undefined, then it defaults over to default data. Okay, that would make sense, yeah. Okay, gotcha. Alright, well, nothing's broken yet. That's good. Shouldn't something have shown up there, though? Probably haven't. Yeah. Alright, so... let's see. And then at the end of that... New to do. So that's the if statement, right? Okay, and then under that would be... Save data. Okay, I didn't put that in there. Save. Alright. Done. Perfect. So that's that function. Alright, so... But... Let's see... To do... In to do. So shouldn't that have grabbed the to... There's the to-dos. So shouldn't I see something here? Because I did add, default data. Yeah, see? Write a blog post. So shouldn't that have shown up? Content. To do index. Click. That's weird. Let's see. Finally, after 4 years of coding, you're about to finish your first to-do app, right? I don't know, though. That's really weird. It doesn't seem to be... We should see some items here, but you know what? Let me... Huh. Yeah, we should be seeing something right now, though. So I'm not too sure what I did wrong. What am I doing wrong? There's gotta be something. Yeah, because that should be listing out there, right? Because I have const default data. Right. And then I have my array. Write a blog post. And then I have const to-dos data. Then there's the local storage. Or get default data. So... To-dos data. Then there's the to-dos. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I'm not doing that right. Oops. Let's see. Why isn't that working? Remove save data function. Oh, I don't have a return. That's probably why. Hey, Mad Jokers, how's it going? Does that go at the end of the setup, though? Yeah, it does. I think. Setup. Where's that at? Good, man. How are you? Just working away? Same. I went to the gym this morning, and that was about it. All right, so let me do return. Let me see if I can return this value. So we're gonna do return, and then I'll do to-dos, save. Let's see if we get that list. Ah, there we go. There it is. Okay, so the code is right. I was just forgetting to run the return on it. Okay, cool. All right, awesome. So that's done. So we got to find that function, which is right here. All right, and then we'll come down here, and we're gonna create our other function. Let's see. How was the gym? Oh, it was great. I went in there to teach, and then the class was like, not many people showed up this morning. So I was like, well, I don't want those people to work out by themselves. Like, it would have just been me standing there, like, like coaching two people. So I just joined in on the hit class. It was fun. I wasn't prepared to do it, so that part was kind of like, because I went in there and I'm just like, all right, I'll go in there, teach, and then I'll head home and code. And then I get in there, I'm like, well, I guess I'll do the class as well. So it was fun though. All right, so this is when the thing is done. So we're gonna call this function done to do. Man, I love how this to do. I love how the AI is ready to code this for me. To do dot done is equal to do dot done. Okay, so as I remember we did in our tutorials, what this is going to do is take the current value of to do and then change it based on what it is. So if it's false, then it goes to positive. But then if I click it again, if it's positive, it'll go back to false. So, okay, cool. And then, let's see, so that's pretty easy. And then we're saving data. I assume the save data, well, actually, I see it looks like it's a function at the bottom of the thing. So that probably alters the local storage, I assume. Coding is something I wanted to learn, but my brain won't compute. Dude, I barely understand it myself half of the time. And I assure you, if you stick with it, you can learn it. I mean, I'm definitely got a lot of more work to do, trust me. But yeah, I feel like you could definitely learn it. Does restream or whatever you have show combined chat on stream? I think. Give me a minute. Hold on, maybe. Give me a second. No, that's not it. No, they don't have that anymore. They used to, but I might have a plan. Give me. No, yeah, I think I should do it actually. Oh, actually, I think I do have that. Hold on. Let me. Bam! There we go. Nice. Look at that. See? There it is. I knew I had it. Let me move that right down here. There we go. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, there we go. You know, for the longest time, I couldn't get it to, like, show up at work. And then you can do different designs, too, as well. But, yeah. There we go. Okay, cool. So, we got that. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so the next one is so we did the to do done. Oh, remove to do. Okay. So function remove. Ooh, okay. Remove to do. And then, right, because then we need that. Okay, there we go. To-dos dot value dot splice. Splice, that means to find something, I think, right? Let's see, splice index 1. So find the first index value, or I think with the limited time you've had with Vue, which do you personally prefer over? That's a good question. I still don't have an answer for you on that, Daryl. That's a good question. I don't really know. Yeah, unfortunately, I really don't have an answer yet on that. They're both really good. You know what I mean? I will say I'm used to React, so there are certain things that I want to do. You know what I mean? But I haven't had enough time. You know what I mean? With it, so have to see with time what model fits you. Yeah, definitely. Oh, mental model fits you. Yeah, definitely. Splice adds or removes elements from an array. Oh, okay, cool. Gotcha. I figured that's what it did. All right, cool. So so we're splicing, and then oh, that's all we're doing. Oh, save data. Save. Okay, cool. So what I'm saying is I want you to go into the array and look for todos.value.splice. Are we value? So we're taking, oh, we're searching for the current value in the array, and then we're removing it, right? I think that's what that means. That removes one element starting from index. Oh, okay. Gotcha. That makes sense. So it's going to say index, and then it'll remove the next item after that, right? Or remove the index and the... I think I get it. All right, cool. And then we're doing save data function, save data. All right. And then we're doing const storage data equals json.stringify. Okay, and then we're gonna go todos.value, and then we're doing local storage.set item. Okay, so this is gonna save the items to the local storage. Todos storage data. Save. Okay. So const storage data stringify to-dos. Okay, so that's grabbing the to-dos data, and it's converting it to text, and then this is saving it to, then we're taking the text that we're taking the array data, converting it to text, and then we're storing that text into the local storage called to-dos. This is the name of the local storage item, and then this is what I'm storing in that thing. I think. Does that make sense? I think so. So you can look this up on the MDN. Okay, gotcha. But I think that makes sense, right? What I just said. Perfect. And then we're running a return on that setup, and then I just gotta add these in here. New to do, add to do, done to do, remove to do, save data. Oh, we forgot to write the save data code. Whoops. All right. Function. Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry. Hold on. No, I already did do that. What am I talking about? Okay, it's right here. I think we're good. And that's it. Add some CSS, and you're good to go. Okay, let's see if it worked. Ready? Let me refresh to make sure there's no weird stuff going on. Get coffee. There we go. Get water. Go get food. All right, cool. So if I click on this, I don't think it really does anything though. Let's see. What did we add for the class? To do form container, but we added something. Where did we add it? Class done to do dot done. So do I have to do the... Do I have to create a thing called done? Down here. I can spell done. Save. Oh, that's cool. Nice. That's okay. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's actually kind of cool. All right. Let's see. Let's do UL. Padding 1 0 save. Oh no, that's not gonna be the UL. We want the LI. 0. Actually, I can put that over here in the base. There we go. H1, H2, H3, H4. Ah, there we go. Save. And we get rid of that. We don't need the P tag in there. Okay, let's see. Or I could just put it up here. That makes sense. There we go. Alright. Let's see. UL. Alright. And then let's do LIs as... Actually, I won't do anything on the LIs. I don't think we need to do that. I'll do them over here. Or in here in the thing. So we got LI. And then we'll alter that. Let's see. Let's style none. Perfect. Actually, I'll keep them there. I just want to add a little bit of padding on those. Padding 1M0 save. There we go. Actually, we'll do 0.5. There we go. That's a lot better. I like that. That looks pretty good. Perfect. Let's see. Oh. Thank you for the follow, Godfrey. Appreciate it. Thank you. Now I'm probably gonna get some weird alert from Streamlabs. There it is. I love how Streamlabs is like so delayed. But thank you so much again. I appreciate it. Alright, cool. So now if I click on these, the line strikes through. That's good. You know what we should do is also do the color. Done. Let's do color is red. Save. Nice. That looks good. Well, I guess that was pretty simple. So, do you think we could probably improve this a little bit, though, right? Um, let's see. Because we could have the form. The form should be its own component, correct? But I wonder how we would store that. Would that all go in the? Let's see. So technically, we should have a. Here, let's get rid of that. We should actually. I'll keep that. We should have a to-dos component, which lists all the to-dos data. Then there should be a. Um, there should be a form component, and then so I wonder if we're how we would do that though, because that would probably mean we would have to. We could still use reference, couldn't we? I think. This is where I get a little confused with Vue versus React, because React I know exactly what to do, but with Vue I don't. You know what I mean? Let's see. Trying to think of the best way to go about this. Let's see. Let's see. Watch this. I don't know if this will work or not, but how can I take this code and break it into separated components? To break down the code into components, you can use the following set. Identify the different functional blocks for the code. Extract each block into a separate function or class. Define the inputs and outputs for each function or class. Refactor the original code to call the new functions or classes instead of the original blocks. Depending on the language and specific code you're working with, there may be additional steps. If you'd like, I can provide some more if you share with me the code that you're working with. Oh. Copy. Sure. Here is the code. Ah, the future of AI. I love it. See that? So what it's doing right now is the AI bot's telling me exactly what I would need to do to break it up. Isn't that nuts? That's crazy. All right, so it says we need to do a to-do form component. It says this component would handle the form for adding new to-dos. It would include the input field, the add to-do button, and the add to-do function. Okay, that makes sense. And I said that earlier, so I was right on that one. To-do list component. This component would handle the display of the list of to-dos. It would include the UL and the v-for loop, and would also include the to-do, the done and remove to-do functions. Okay. The to... Oh. There's a third... Okay, so the third one would be this, the to-do item component. This component would handle the display of each individual to-do items. It would include the li element and the class binding. It would also include the done and remove to-do functions to implement this. You would need to, 1, create a separate Vue file for each component, import the necessary functions and data from the parent component into each child component using props. Okay. Nest the child components with the parent component. Okay, so tell you what we're going to do, because I know this code works. I'm actually going to... Can I duplicate this? Nah, I don't think so. That's okay. All right, so we're going to make a new file. Let's see. I asked ChatGPT to provide me with options for the word of the day in Wordle. I think I said that right. It gave me 4, and one of them was the word I gave it. Lol. It has a far way to go, but it is honestly amazing. I code in Salesforce. Oh, do you? That's pretty cool. Which there are not as many people using compared to normal web dev. So the options we get are rather limiting, especially for edge cases. you're screwed. Oh, I bet, yeah. Chat GPT is my best friend. Have you guys tried Codium yet? Hey, thank you for the follow there, Bread Drunk Seal. I think I said your name right. I'm sorry if I didn't. Bread Drawn. There we go. I'll just say that. That's easier. But thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I actually just installed it after seeing you use it. Nice. Good job. Actually, I think I had a command for, do I? Codium? Oh, whoops. Sorry. Wrong chat. I think I have it. I don't remember if I do or not. I'll have to, I might. Oops. Codium. If not, I should make one. Codium. I don't think I do. No, I don't. Okay. I thought I did. Oh man, that's okay. I had a referral. Hey, 47 venue. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. I'm down for anything for free. Yeah, and that's the thing. It's literally free. What is the thing to the left? Is that Codium? Yeah, right over here. So yeah, you just click on it and it'll bring up the AI tool, and then it has built-in AI right up here as well. So it's actually pretty cool. I like the explain button. It literally explains what something is, which is pretty cool. So like I just went over there and said, "Hey, explain this code," and it was like, and then it explains everything that the setup function does. So Codium's really good, and for it being free, guys, you really can't go wrong. It's gonna help you out. Granted, the one thing with AI though is sometimes it's really too helpful, and then you feel like you're not even coding anymore. You're just sitting there hitting tab, 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 and AI's coding it for you. Of course, definitely. Thank you for the follow, though. I appreciate it. So that could be like the one downfall of it. You know what I mean? So, so my type of coding, eh? Tab, 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 tab. Yeah, if you code in, if you guys code with Python, you guys will be good to go. Tab, 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 because you're already used to hitting that tab button. You can do that. We'll see. There you go. But, yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I think it's pretty awesome. All right, perfect. Let's see. All right, perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna do. Okay, tell you what, I'll be right back. And when I come back, we're gonna break this file up into separate components because although this does work and is really cool, I feel like this can be broken up in definitely in separate components. So I'll be right back, and then we'll do that. And if we can get it to work, that would be really good. I just got to duplicate the file. That way I still have a copy, and I obviously don't want to follow what they did. So I'm gonna try the best I can to break it up and to see if I can get it to work. But I think we're gonna be good. So I'll be right back. Especially the functions, I think I get it now. As long as we're using that setup and we're exporting, then all we should have to do is do an import into the view or the main view file, and then we'll have the components right there. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Thank you so much. Guys, also just to let you guys know who are on Twitch, I am over at Kick as well, so if you want to give me a follow over at Kick, I would appreciate it. I think it's in my socials tab too. Or I don't think I've added it to my panel, but if you click on, if you're on Twitch, there should be a link tree. I think it's on my link tree. I think so. But I'd appreciate it. Thank you. All right. Let's see. I'm everywhere. Just follow me everywhere. YouTube. I'm trying to do more on YouTube as well. So, I know, you big tech guy. What do you think of the VR headset Apple is making? Oh boy, could we talk about that? I think it's cool. I just think it's extremely overpriced. It is way too expensive. Yeah, it's cool. I don't know how good it works though. Like, because the problem with a lot of these like trailers, you know what I mean, is they're using, you know what I mean, they're doing the best they can to present to you what you're gonna see, but are you really gonna see what they show? You know what I mean? Like, how cool is that actually gonna look? Is it gonna, maybe you put it on and it looks just as good as that trailer makes it look to be, but I just think it's really expensive. I think it's way overpriced. Because okay, so if you look at the Microsoft HoloLens, I think it's around 2,500. Could be wrong about that. I think it's around 2,500 for the HoloLens, but I don't know, I just think it's way overpriced. I like it, and I think it's gonna be a cool thing. Let's see, Microsoft AR HoloLens. There we go. Yeah, right here. So this is the HoloLens by Microsoft. I'm sure you've seen it. Um, let's see, hands free. Yeah, and they're hands free. Is that Skype? Oh, maybe not. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty cool. Um, but let's see. Okay, that's not it. Let's see. I definitely see the use for business for sure. Where's the thing? I thought there was a buy now button. Oh, here we go. Shop now. Um. Hey, thank you for the follow, Mad Jokers. Appreciate it. Oh, it's actually what? Okay, have they gone to Apple level? What? All right, never mind. I was gonna say it's a lot cheaper than Apple's, but apparently not. Okay, never mind. Well, I was gonna give props to Microsoft, but shit, they must have tweaked that price because that was not that. I don't remember it ever being that much. There's no way it's been that much money. I thought it was only 3 grand. Did they upper the price? I believe it's actually a lot better in person, but again, first impressions of tech are always do not buy for me. That could be it too. Remember, Apple starts at 3,800. Starts. Oh, really? What do you mean starts? Wait, is there upgraded? Can you get like an upgraded version of the headset? Great. It's probably like more storage, I assume. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Shit, so expensive. I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. I don't know. I haven't ever used a HoloLens before, so I don't know if it's gonna be better. I think the one thing that Apple will make easy is the UI. I think they'll do a really good job with the UI. Like, based on that video we saw of it, is it looks pretty simplistic. Like you have your apps, kind of like your phone, your Apple phone. Um, I assume you'll be able to do quite a bit on it. Now, what I am kind of curious of is that feature that I did see that looked kind of cool was when the girl was on the bed with her laptop and she was using her laptop. So she had her screen open, but it was blacked out. I think what they do is I think they use AirDrop or not AirDrop. You know what I'm talking about when you broadcast your Mac screen. What's it called? It's screen share. You know what I'm talking about, right? Or What's up here? What's it called? It's, is it over here? No. Main display. Oh, alright, they don't have it on here. I thought they did. Alright, well, it's something. I can't remember the name of it, but I think that's how they do it. So, how smooth is that going to be? You know what I mean? Because I've shared my Apple via the wireless, and it's usually got this, like, 20 frames a second kind of skip going on to it. So, I don't know how it's going to go, but it'll be interesting. But I don't know. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. That's all I'm saying. Like, hey, did you see the new MacBook Air 15-inch? That's actually pretty cool. It definitely wouldn't have enough power for me. But, yeah. Vision Pro. Oh, man. Yeah, okay, here you go. Like, I think this part's going to be really cool. I think using your hands to do things is going to be awesome. Watching now, this is what I'm talking about right here. How good is that actually going to look in person? Like, if I'm staring at, say I'm sitting in my living room, right? And I'm watching this movie using these goggles, is it actually blocking out stuff behind that thing, or is there going to be still some type of transparency? I don't know. That's what'll be interesting. Daryl, thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate it. Let's see here. Listening to the Swift community, Apple's coding language, it is extremely well done. However, as devs, we now have a new medium to code for, sites, apps, etc. It's going to be interesting, definitely. Must Bros, how's it going? Probably not. Yeah, I don't know. It'll be interesting to see if it blocks it all off. You know what I mean? It may. I don't know. But I mean, I do like the design. It does look pretty cool. It looks like they're trying to cover your entire vision. Yeah, see, this part right here is what I'm talking about. I assume this is coming from his Mac, maybe, or is this the UI that's already in there? Let's see. I was hoping they had a better example. The FaceTime thing's pretty cool. I do like that. Did you guys see that meme? The Apple versus the what is it? Metaverse. Like when you all meet in the Apple headset world, you actually see people. But when you're meeting with the Metaverse version, it's like this like shitty 2D character looking thing. So this is a computer and a headset, so that's straight from the, not like the watch. Gotcha. Yeah, so they have the built-in OS for it. But I'm trying to find that photos, notes. Let's see, messages, compatible apps, TV, music. Where is the... Oh, okay, so it's just different backgrounds. Okay. I'm trying to find that Vision OS. Okay, that's what it's called. Where is that one where she was using the computer? It's probably on the, I think it's on the video. Let me see if I can find it. Where's the video for this? Oh, it's at the top, isn't it? Did I miss it? I must have skipped it. Ah, here we go. Watch the film.
Introducing.
Oh, hold on. Sorry, you guys can't even hear it. Actually, can you hear it? Why can't you hear it? That's... Oh, that's the Elgato. Yeah, that is the... Hold on. Samsung. Yeah, you guys should be able to hear it. Hold on. Where's my music? Mute. Thank you. Why am I not getting any audio? hold on. That's weird. Huh, that's weird. I'm not getting any audio over here. Damn. Anyways, I don't need audio. There should be... Where's that part I was looking for? I will fix that later, though. Oh, right here, right here. Okay. Yeah, so here we go. All right. Yeah, see? Right there. So, that's what I assume it's going to look like. But how smooth is that going to work? You know what I mean? Yeah. That's going to be interesting. So, like I said, it's definitely going to be an interesting product if you can afford it. So, I probably don't think I'd buy it right out the door. I probably have to wait a while to see, first off, because anything like a new product like that, you definitely want to get all the bugs out and stuff like that. Especially for the price, you know what I mean? Let's see here. It's not like the watch. You can simply open your MacBook and instantly see it appear on your headset. That is pretty cool. Like continuity. Let's see. When was the last time you used your VR? Dude, that's a thing. I'll, I don't know. It's sitting like there's a green screen behind me, and then there's a little like shelf, or not a shelf, but like a little table. It's been sitting there, and it's probably got a lot of dust on it. You know what I mean? I don't use VR like at all. You know what I mean? 3,500 and then use it like three times. Yeah. No, it's starting off at 3,800, Josh. So you could put probably close to 4,000 into it. So I don't know. The problem is the marketing. Meta's market games, Apple marked productivity. Yeah, I could. So like the problem with the Meta or with now I haven't used the have you guys saw the new Meta's got a new one coming out too. Um, that's going to be interesting. The problem with VR, like the reason I would get VR is for gaming. It's fun. Like Beat Saber is really fun. Um, what like half of those games that you play are really fun. The problem with at least the Quest 2 that I found is the when you don't have a computer to plug it into, the graphics are shit. Like it looks like a PlayStation 2 game. You know what I mean? That's the problem I have with VR games is other than Beat Saber looks really good. But I haven't seen a game where I'm just in the VR where I'm just like, oh my god, this is the most amazing graphics I've seen. And it's just because the power to produce that kind of graphics would suck the battery life out of those headsets so quickly. So I am kind of curious to see what Apple's games are going to look like. Two, what kind of graphics that the new Meta headset has coming to it. But like if you're gonna do gaming with VR, you're better off buying a headset that plugs into your graphic card or into the USB-C port. Um, like or actually shit, PlayStation 2's VR headset too, or PlayStation VR 2. That one looks good. What Horizon Falls or something like that is the name of the game. Like the graphics in that look really good for a VR game. You know what I mean? But again, you're plugging the headset directly into the console, which is feeding the video. You know what I mean? So yeah. Let's see. Oh, did I miss something? I did. Let's see here. Probably more for productivity, but most of that pitch video was consumer related to activities. Agreed. The Meta Quest avatar versus the Vision Pro avatar is baffling. Yeah, the metaverse stuff is, I don't know. I haven't played with any VR yet. I'm waiting for Sword Art Online. Oh God, that was a good show though. I hope they can eventually put the battery into the headset rather than yeah, that okay. That is the weird part too. That weird cable where you got to put the battery pack in your like ass pocket, and that's weird. Unless the battery's, yeah, I don't know. Well, is the battery built into the headset, but that's more of a external battery, or is that the actual battery? Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. I don't think games should have been the first thing to implement, in my opinion. I'm glad Apple took this route. Not a fanboy, just appreciate good marketing. That's true. Agreed, they should not have been allowed to do that. Oh crap, we can't fit the battery now. What, right? I think Apple is smart to build a platform around it. They're trying to repeat their iOS success. Yep, definitely. Just put it in your pocket. You leveled up. All right, here we go. Meta lacks experience, but Apple has done the game before. Oh yeah, agreed. Yeah, we need to remember that Meta were the ones that started off this whole thing. Hey, thank you for the. Okay, I gotta get rid of that Streamlabs. It's blocking the other alert. Thank you for the follow, Musbros. Appreciate it. We need to remember that the ones start the whole thing, and provide years of research to help others tag on to. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. It's just really weird because Meta dumped billions into the metaverse stuff, but I've seen more come out of chat VR. Honestly, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's crazy to think that they don't have feet in the metaverse, but you can go into chat. Granted, with chat VR, you do have motion sensors that are wrapped around your ankles and your hips and all that. But they spent billions, and what it went towards, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. It's really weird. But yeah, I don't know. I've never gone into a metaverse area, so I really can't speak on it. Also, Meta says nothing magical about the Vision Pro yet. Mentions magical feeling when you simply tapping your fingers. Yeah. Let's see. During an interview of Mark, he mentions Meta can do the same thing, but when the interviewer tried to clarify that, Mark cut him off. Oh, really? Yeah. It's just really weird. Like, where did that billions go to? I just don't get it. Like, honestly, the Quest. Okay, so right now, if I put on my Quest headset, let's just talk about something very simple. App updates, right? Right now, if I want to update anything on my Mac or my iPhone or my iPad, well, I don't own an iPad, but if I did own an iPad or anything, even my Windows PC, right? Literally, I can go into the store or the settings and hit update, boom, and then it goes through and checks for all the apps that need updates, right? With the Quest 2, I individually have to go click into each app one by one and say, I want you to update the app. Why? Why is that a thing? Why can't I go to one area, click update all, and then it just runs an update on all the apps? You know what I mean? It does not make sense why you have to manually click into each app one by one and to update it. And then even the update notification is like this tiny little blue dot, but sometimes that can mean two things. The blue dot either means A, it's a new app, or B, there's an update needed. So they don't actually tell you. They should put a little thing that says update on there. It's really weird. Like, you would think billions of dollars have gone into Meta, but they can't do a simple bulk update feature. It just doesn't make sense. It's really weird. You know what I mean? Like, oh man, colored dots would have helped there too. I agree. It's just crazy. I'm talking about the companies now. Same with Tesla. Must purchase Tesla. I never started it. Yeah, because with the Meta Quest, you need scroll swipe with your hands in order to motion signal. Apparently, the Vision Pro was simply looking. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Let's see. The Pro seems to have some nice inputs and eye tracking. Curious to see how much lag is in it. If they can make it not noticeable, that would be pretty cool. I would assume they've done some pretty deep testing on that. But I agree. It's going to be really interesting to see version 1. Or, the first version of it, and then to see version 2. And then so on. But, like, yeah, I don't know. It's going to get pretty interesting. But, I don't know, guys. Like I said, I'm going to definitely let the Pro come out for a while. And to see how it's doing. Probably maybe some patches on it. But I don't even know if even then I could afford something like that. I assume they'll have a cheaper version of this headset at some point. Maybe they'll call it like the Vision or whatever, and it'll be like, you know how the iPhone SE was a thing and stuff like that, or the Vision SE. But that's a lot of money. So I just can't see myself paying $3,800 for a headset. I just can't, even if it helped me with work. You know what I mean? The Vision SE. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be a thing. MK mentions it's instantaneous, hence the magical feeling. Ultimately, it's gonna matter in 2024 when the consumer market has it. Yeah, so that will be well, yeah, because this doesn't come out until what, next year, or is it coming out in the fall? No, next year, right? Yeah. So, and and that's the thing too. So this headset doesn't come out for another year, right? So imagine what they're gonna develop between now and 2024. So I'm sure they're gonna have a lot of testing. Um, but the tech improves so quickly. Like the tech that they're actually using now, are they going to be using that same tech, or is it going to improve and it's like, oh shit, uh, you know what I mean? Maybe like an M3 chip comes out and they're like, oh, we're going to use that instead. I don't know. But it'll be very interesting to see. But yeah, as for Meta, I don't know what the hell's going on over there. They should have just stuck with social networking and called it good. I don't know what they're trying to do. I see what they were trying to do with the metaverse. I just don't think. I don't know. It's really weird. They probably should have just went into chat, VR chat, talked to a couple people that did mods over there and said, hey, want to come work for Meta? Because they paid like billions of dollars and they don't have feet. Or, yeah, it's really weird. I don't know. I'd imagine the design is mostly frozen for the first version. Yeah, definitely. It will take them about a year to spin up production. I'm still surprised Meta attempted those avatars and tried to make them seem normal for business. Yeah, that was really weird. The Meta avatars are so bad. Yeah, they are definitely bad. It's weird. But, like, I don't know. I've just, like, it's crazy because if you go into VR chat, I've seen. Remember when we did my. Remember when I first got the VR, Josh? And I streamed it on Twitch and I went into VR chat. People are sitting there dancing and like all that stuff. And I was like, how are you moving your feet? You know what I mean? It was so freaking cool. And they were like, yeah, we have these like little sensors we put on our wrist and our hips. And then I wear a belt with a sensor on it. And then I have sensors wrapped around my ankles. And it knows my movements. And I'm like, that's so cool. Like people were doing all kinds of, you could see someone sit down on the floor. It was really cool. But it just boggles my mind that we don't have that. We don't even have sensors for the Quest. You know what I mean? I think you can get third-party sensors. I don't know how well they work, though. But, yeah, like, it just boggles my mind, the things you can do. There's some other companies out there that have spent millions of dollars on their metaverse stuff, and it flopped. And it's just like, you could have done this in VR chat. Like literally you could have not spent millions of dollars and it's just crazy. It's just insane to see implementation on avatars, though it still doesn't feel right. We're at least the right path though. So what's kind of crazy about the Apple version of the avatar is it scans your face to create that avatar, which is kind of crazy, right? And I don't know if you guys saw this, but Google has done this as well with their their TV thing. I don't know if you guys saw this video, and if not, you guys should definitely check it out. But Google it'll probably end up in the Google graveyard, though. Google has developed this monitor that uses cameras. So the cameras are on the edge of the monitor, and what it does is anyone that sits in front of this monitor, it's scanning your body and it's creating a fake version of you to show to somebody else. And it allows you it looks like you're actually sitting there with somebody. So instead of me just seeing a video on the screen, it would physically look like I'm seeing you. So, and there's shadows and everything, and it looks insane. That's pretty damn cool. And I don't know if you guys have seen the video, but if not, you guys should definitely check it out. it looks like you're really seeing somebody, but you're not. You're not seeing really them. You're seeing an AI version of them. And Apple's doing the same thing. So that's why they're able to see your face on FaceTime, is because they're so what you do based on what I saw in the video, you take your headset and you put it in front of your face and it scans your entire face, right? Once it has your face, it can then use AI as you're speaking. It can present what your face would look like if you were really speaking. So it can. It's going to be very interesting to see how that works. I assume they're going to have you train different emotions and stuff like that. Like read out a sentence and then it's going to remember what your facial features look like. And then when you're on FaceTime with somebody wearing that headset, it's going to produce a version of what it thinks you would look like. So that part's pretty cool. AI is getting really cool with what it can do, and it's kind of fucking scary at the same time. Like, all AI needs is a scan of your face, and then it's like, I got you. I'll make another version of you. What? You know what I mean? Like, it's crazy, but it is cool at the same time. It's just scary and cool all at the same time. So, but yeah, it's gonna be quite interesting. I will say. So, but I've lost track of time. Damn. All right, guys. I've got to jump off here. I got to go to work. But this was fun. I had a good time. I'm glad we were able to actually get the Vue to-do list done. What I would love to do is I got to break these up into components, though. So I think I'm going to be on tonight. I just got to teach one class at the gym, and then I'm going to be on. So I'll definitely be streaming tonight for sure. But yeah, guys, check out my link tree. I'm now on Kick a lot, actually. I'm still doing some testing right now on. I'm not saying I'm using Restream because that's obviously, you can't multicast. But if I was, you should definitely follow me on Kick as well. And yeah, guys, I appreciate you hanging out with me, and I appreciate the follows on multiple platforms. And I'm also on YouTube as well. So, but like I said, yeah, this is fun. I had a good time. I always like talking about tech and stuff like that, so I enjoy kind of exploring the possibilities of what we're going to be able to do with these headsets. It's going to be crazy, and I think eventually the price of things are going to go down. I mean, what was the iPod when it first came out? It's probably pretty expensive, so you know what I mean. But yeah, guys, like I said, thank y'all for the follows. Like I said, I have a link tree. Make sure you follow my Twitter, socials. Join the Discord, definitely. And yeah, I will see you all later tonight. I would say, what time do I gotta be there at? 6 o'clock, and then I get out at 7:30. But then I gotta eat. I would say 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, probably. So, but I'll be back on tonight. I don't know what we're doing tonight. We'll either do some coding, or we're gonna continue with Diablo 4. If you guys have not got Diablo 4 yet, it's really fun. It's my first Diablo game, and I've been having such a blast. I've been grinding like crazy on that game. It's so fun. But yeah, I don't know. We'll figure out what we're going to do tonight. But anyways, guys, as always, thank you. Have a great rest of your guys' day, and I will see you all later, all right? All right, have a good night, guys. Or, sorry, I'm used to streaming at night. Have a great day. Well, I guess for some of you, it's kind of in the later evening, so yeah. Have a good one. There we go. That's just easy. All right, bye, guys.